Hi, this is Troy from Playtime Engineering, and in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the sound of the Blipblox. One of the comments we get a lot from new Blipblox users is some of the sounds can get a little bit crazy, and that's really by design. So in this video, I want to show you how you can tame some of the crazier sounds, and sort of some of the tips you can use to really have the most fun with the Blipblox. One of the first things that's good to know about the Blipblox is if you get a really crazy sound, you can instantly change it by hitting that big blue button right in the middle. That changes the oscillator type, and that's really the easiest way to get a whole new sound on the Blipblox. The other tip here is with these big blue knobs. These are the modulation knobs, and these two knobs are most responsible for controlling the tone of the sound. So typically, if you rotate them clockwise, the modulation will increase and the sound will get a little bit crazier. If you turn them counterclockwise, it'll generally make the sound more mellow. Another tip is if you have a really crazy sound is to use the low pass filter with the lever on the right to reduce the cutoff frequency. And that sort of tames the crazy high frequencies of the sound. It makes the sounds a little bit more mellow. You can also hit the randomize button here. It's the red button on the right, and that brings up a whole new sound also. I hope these tips help a little bit in getting the best sound that you can out of your Blipblox. Thanks for watching.